Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to shorten those pants. If you are petite like me, then a lot of pants probably don't fit. So stay with me and you will see step-by-step video on how to do it. Measure the pants that fit, and now put the mark to the pants that don't fit. Just mark it and then take 1.5 centimeters. This is going to be the line that we're gonna sew. So take a ruler and just draw a straight line. Do the same for the other side as well. And just fold it in the middle one time and then another time, so you have to see the white line, and this is where you're gonna pin, and you have to pin all around, and then it's going to be easier to sew and it's going to be proportional and the pants will look good. Need to take a needle and a thread should be in the same color as your pants because this is going to be the invisible stitch. So you just take the needle and don't forget to also make a knot so it doesn't come out, and you have to hide the knot somewhere under that folded line, and then remember to take like little pieces so you can't see the stitch when you turn the pants on the other side. To use the sewing machine, and remember, don't sew both sides together, so the other side needs to be somewhere like here. You can see not together, but you have to push it so the needle doesn't sew those both sides of the pants together, and do it very slowly because it will be easier to just sew a straight line because you have to sew around. Don't sew in your pins, so just take the sewing pins before a little bit and then just like keep the line straight all the time. this is the final result, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more sewing tutorials.